Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use Melio guiding to sending and receiving payments. Melio is a payment platform designed to help businesses manage their payment easily. Now here's a step-by-step guide on how to send and receive payments using Melio. First is by signing up or logging in on their website. Next is add your business information. Fill in your business details including name, address, and tax information. Next, connect your bank account. Link your bank account for sending and receiving payments. This usually involves providing your bank account details for verification. Next is add payees. Go to pay section and add the business or individuals you need to pay. You can do this by entering their email address, phone number, or bank details. Next is create a payment. Click on create a payment, rather, make a payment rather, and select the payee from your list. Enter the amount, due date, and any relevant notes. Next, choose payment method. Select how you want to pay, example bank transfer, or credit card. Note that some methods may incur fees. Lastly is review and confirm. Review the payment details and confirm. You should receive a confirmation once the payment is processed. Now on receiving payments, first set up payment options. Ensure account is set up to pay. Ensure your account is set up to accept payments. This might involve verifying your identity and linking your bank account. Second is share your payment link. Melio provides a unique payment link that you can share with customers. You can find this link in your dashboard. Invoicing if you're using Melio for invoicing. Create and send invoices directly from the platform. Your customers can pay directly through the invoice link. Next is track payments. Use the dashboard to monitor incoming payments and their statuses. You'll be notified when payments are received. Lastly is withdraw funds. Once you receive payments, you can withdraw the funds to your linked bank account. Just follow the prompts in the Melio dashboard to initiate a transfer. And that's basically it.